Hi, welcome to our Plagium tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to share a report with your teacher. First, you need to be logged into our system. If you don't know how to do this, we have a video tutorial explaining how to register. Once inside the control panel, you must click on Documents on the left menu of your screen and, after that, click on Manage Documents. Within the Manage Documents section, you will see all your documents that have been uploaded to our platform. Locate the document you want to send to your teacher and click the blue Report button next to the document. With the document open, you will look in the center of the page for a green Share button with an arrow. Click this button to continue. Right after clicking the button, a window with options for sharing will open where you can share with any member of Plagium, anyone with the link, or you can send an invitation to your teacher or friend directly in your email. Ready? See how simple it is? Now, whenever you need to find something or check the similarity of a document, go to plagium.com.